Thought I'd give a quick tour of my rig. And first off, there's Dottie in her little desert bed. This is Harper. That's a neighbor's dog. Hey, Harper. This is my 2021 2100 BH. That's the bunkhouse model of the Micro Mini. And see, I have my stuff set outside here. I have a tote I use for black and gray water disposal, a little Honda generator, my solar panels. I've got a few on the roof, but during the winter it's pretty essential to have something that is tilted towards the sun. There's the truck I use. It's a 2018 3.5 liter EcoBoost. There's my e-bike with my little Dottie trailer. She loves riding this thing. I have an outdoor propane fire pit, a Blackstone grill, and we come inside. Let me get to the wide angle here. To the right, and have the permanent bed. I guess you'd call that full size. And there used to be a dinette here, but now there's the recliner and a little workstation for me, so I can do my Zoom calls. And you see, if you look real closely, there's a cat and that little table there. That's George, and that's George's where George eats. So Dottie doesn't get to it. Dottie's bed, and actually it's Dottie and George's bed, depending on who gets to it first. There's a top-up litter box there. I use, for heat, to save on electricity, I use a Wave 3 catalytic heater, and I'm actually upgrading to a Wave 6 because the 3 isn't quite big enough for even this small trailer. These are the bunks, and you can see the bunks are converted into massive storage. There's a bathroom back here, not very big, but there's definitely a shower, toilet, nothing fancy. Really good size refrigerator. It's your standard RV propane, a microwave that's also in a convection, 3-burner propane stove, little sink. Upgraded the TV, just made it a little bit bigger than what came from it, because with my 62-year-old eyes, I couldn't quite read text from even close up, so it's a little bit bigger. There's the bed, storage above. And here's another thing I kind of glossed over outside. It's I upgraded the little plastic battery container for a big one. And give me a second here to open it, and I'll show you what's in there. There is, at the far end, there's a DC to DC charger, so I can throw 30 amps into this battery bank while I'm driving. You see there's two Battleborns, 100 amp hours each. There's a Losagy here, 200 amp hours. So it's 400 amp hours of lithium. And if you look in here, and this is a little messy, I've got to get some more storage containers, but there's my my solar charge controller, and I can't even show you the inverter because it's behind me here, and there's a lot of junk in the way. My friend Tim has talked me into, Rob, you gotta organize that better. So this week I'm gonna go into town and get a couple of more plastic containers to organize my stuff a little bit better. But that is about it. That is my rig, and I really, really love it. Hi, I'm Dottie, and I need more subscribers. They're not out there, Dottie. They're in here.